Let's make some homemade bird feeders. Bird feeders, and we're gonna go look for some pine cones. Pine cones under a pine tree, and we're gonna get 3 of them so we can make 3 for the kids. We got some nice pine cones here. We're gonna go inside and start making them into bird feeders. Some pipe cleaners, and I took a screwdriver and I pushed really hard and pierced it. And we're gonna slide the pipe cleaner in there so you can hang the bird feeder. Crisco lard onto the pine cone. Also, we're gonna put peanut butter. Next, we're gonna rub peanut butter on them after we already got the grease on them. I'm using a plastic bat because I don't have a glove, but we're gonna rub it on it and get the peanut butter. Peanut butter around the pine cone so it can be really sticky. Right, Mila? Okay. You're gonna take the bird food and put it into the plate. Then we're gonna roll it around in it.
It's sticking!
It is sticking. Roll it around in it, get it everywhere. So then your bird Peppa can eat it.
Not mine, not Peppa. Peppa's not good.
You're gonna do it outside?
I'm gonna let the other boys have some because they don't have those.
You know what? That looks really delicious. Even I want to eat it.
Hey, that's bullet food.
I didn't tell you I was really a bird.
Daddy.
What? That's it. We made 3 bird feeders. It was a fun project. What do you guys want to say?